Most people think their PC is slow because they need a hardware upgrade. They think they need more RAM, a faster SSD, or a new CPU. But the truth is, your Windows installation is working against you. Out of the box, Windows 11 comes packed with background processes, telemetry, and tracking services that take up significant system resources. Today, I'm showing you how to strip that bloatware and get the performance you actually paid for. The data. According to recent performance benchmarks, background tasks in Windows are the primary cause of system spikes. These processes don't just eat your RAM, they increase heat, reduce battery life, and create latency in your daily apps. When you are gaming or editing, your system is already struggling because it's managing background junk you never asked for. We aren't just cleaning files, we are reclaiming control of your hardware. The solution. We're going to use an open-source, community-verified tool. This is what power users use to optimize their workstations. Step 1. Download the tool from the official GitHub page. Step 2. Run the script as administrator. Step 3. Select the debloat or optimize preset. I've tested this across multiple builds, and it removes the useless pre-installed apps and stops the non-essential telemetry tracking services that stay active in the background. The results and conclusion. Look at the task manager now. My idle CPU usage has dropped significantly. That is extra power available for whatever you are actually doing, gaming, coding, or designing. This isn't a temporary fix. It's a permanent optimization to your OS. Stop letting your OS limit your hardware potential. If this helped you, like the video and let me know in the comments.